The 130914 error code on an HP Color LaserJet indicates a paper jam in the back door of the machine. This issue can be caused by a routine paper jam, a failed transfer belt, or a damaged fuser. To resolve the error, start by removing the stock paper, switching off and unplugging the machine. Then gently tilting the printer to its side to locate the paper drawer and open it. Carefully remove any lodged paper. If the issue persists, replacing the transfer belt may be necessary. Turn the printer off, open the right door, and remove the old transfer belt. Install a new transfer belt and roller by carefully handling the belt by its edges. Additionally, inspect the fuser unit by switching off the printer, opening the back door, and checking for visible damage to its cables. If damage is found, replace the fuser unit with a new one. By following these steps, the 130914 error code should be resolved.